Hello friends, welcome to VPMP. So today we are going to discuss a short story wherein we will be seeing what is the difference between control quality and validate scope. So let's begin the story. So we are having Monica who needs a cake for her mother's birthday. So what does Monica do? Monica goes to a bakery shop and she says, "Hello, I need a cake." The restaurant owner turns up with a menu and he says, "Ma'am, we are having a lot of cake. Which one do you want? So please select one." So Monica selects a particular cake. After selection, the hotel owner or the restaurant owner goes and gives the same order in the restaurant bakery or the chef and asks her to cook the cake. So here we can see Nancy, who is the chef of the particular restaurant. She cooks or bakes the cake and she calls the owner again and she says, "Sir, I am done with the cake. Please check how does the cake look." So the restaurant owner checks the cake and says, "Nancy, you have done a good job. Cake is looking good." Then the restaurant owner asks the waiter to take the cake and give it to the customer. So the waiter takes the cake and calls the customer, who is Monica. So he says, "Ma'am, please check your order." Monica checks her order and says, "The cake is looking good, thank you," and she leaves. So friends, in this short story I am going to make you understand what is the difference between validate scope and control quality. So before moving forward, I have posted few videos on how to pass the PMP exam and tips and trick for PMP exam. So please go ahead and check them. I will be sharing link in the description as well as on top of the screen. So let's move on, friends. So here when we saw Nancy was cooking the cake. So here we can see we are in direct and manage project work where a deliverable was created. And what was the deliverable? Cake was the deliverable. And in the next process, Nancy calls the restaurant owner or the bakery owner and asks him to check the cake. So here we are in control quality process. And what is going to be done? Internal quality checks are going to be done. Here we can see the restaurant owner is an internal person and he checks and confirms the quality, and then what is created? A verified deliverable is created. So in the next process we can see the waiter who is delivering the cake to Monica. So here this process is known as validate scope. Here we can see customer is checking the product that is being delivered to him or her and a accepted deliverable is created. So friends, please understand, this is very important. In validate scope, customer is involved, who is an external entity, whereas during control quality our internal people are involved or internal testers are involved. So from this short story, I hope you guys understood what is the difference between validate scope and control quality, and also how deliverable was created, then when the deliverable got verified and how it got accepted. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and comment, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.